What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Carly. Nice to meet you. I am a birth and postpartum doula specializing in home birth, and this is a series that I've created called The Sounds of Labor, where I'm taking you through each stage and giving you some real raw footage of what these stages can possibly look and sound like to hopefully help you feel more adequately prepared for your birth. As a birth doula, I began to notice a consistent theme coming up with my clients during our postpartum visit. There was always this one moment where almost every single one of my clients would break into tears and just become really emotional reflecting on their birth experience. And almost every single time, they would say something along the lines of, I wish I hadn't let myself get so out of control, or I'm disappointed about how loud I was, or I can't believe that I screamed like that. And the objective of this series is to eliminate the shame that tends to arise after a labor experience by providing some real life examples of what you might look like, sound like, or feel like during each stage of labor. In today's video, I will be showing stage 2 of labor, which includes pushing and delivery. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, I will link the entire playlist for you right here so you can go and watch all the episodes to get the full picture. Before we jump into it, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of this empowering community, and be sure to hit that notification bell as well so that you know whenever my new videos go live. I upload every single week, and as usual, I will be including all of the timestamps down below so that you can stay for the parts you want and leave the rest. With all that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video of the sounds of labor.
Good job. I'm trying not to move my hand too much because she's very sensitive. Okay, I can feel the top of the baby's head about that much.
Amazing.
Wonderful.
Beautiful. Great news.
I don't want to move my fingers too much,
No,
but it would help if I could just check that.
Okay.
I'm not going inside.
Okay.
Okay. Just the next contraction, just so you know that you'll feel my fingers moving.
Move together. Grip as tight as you need. Hold it if you need to.
Nice work. Good. Oh, good.
That's the way.
Nice.
Beautiful.
That's it, Carly.
Move your baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Move
You got it.
towards that. Move towards that. That's the way. Beautiful.
Good.
Beautiful, Carly.
Very good.
Good job.
Gotcha. You know what you're doing.
More and more.
You're
good.
amazing.
I'm gonna reach around your tummy and listen to the baby again. After every 3 pushes or so, pushing contractions.
My mama.
She's here somewhere, baby.
I want her. You want her?
She's coming. They're gonna go get her right now, okay? She's right here. She's right here.
Do you need me to stay still, Nancy?
Yeah, let me see if I can just get the. Can you come up on your.
I'm about to have a contraction.
Come do this one. We'll do it after. I'm right here. I'm ready.
That's it.
Beautiful, Carly.
Just like that.
Good.
That's the way.
Oh gosh. Nice.
Beautiful, Carly.
I've got you.
Wonderful.
I've got you.
Yes. That's it. Beautiful. You got it, Carly.
Down and feel your baby's head, Carly.
Beautiful.
Do you want to come back
Doesn't
over and
matter.
then Nancy can listen to the baby?
Do I want to what?
If you sit back, then Drew can catch the baby when it comes out.
Oh, you can sit back. Don't force
Is it
yourself
gonna
to do
hurt
it.
to sit?
No, if you just come back and go sort of semi-recumbent.
Don't force yourself.
I'm right here. You're fine. I'm right here, okay?
Don't apologize.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Okay.
put up in case I have to.
Yeah.
She's coming out.
Yeah, she is. She's coming out.
When the
That's
baby
right.
comes out, you're just going to put her straight up here.
You got it, baby.
You're doing it together. You're doing this together. That's it. Got it.
Okay, just check where that baby is. Sorry, darling. Okay. Little pushes, Carly. Let's get your baby out. That's it. Go on. Little pace. There's your baby's head. Now we're going to let the baby rest and shoot. Okay.
Hi, baby.
That's the way.
Hi, baby.
Lots of hair.
Lots of hair.
Oh, look at that pink head.
Lots of hair.
That's why I couldn't hear.
Yeah.
The head was so
The
low.
head was so low.
You see her? Can you see her? As if you couldn't see her.
Got this, Carly.
Is my mom out here?
I don't.
No. Okay. That's okay.
Okay. Next contraction, we get these shoulders. And the baby's up on you, okay?
You ready to catch your baby?
I'm very nervous.
You're gonna
I'm right
do
here
great.
with you. I'm
You're
right
gonna
here
do
with
great.
you, okay?
Lots of support.
She's right here.
We're gonna do it together.
Woo!
All right.
She kicked me.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay. When you're ready.
Nice and easy.
When you're ready.
Gather it.
Here we go, Drew.
Shoulders.
Go.
And baby!
There you go. That's it.
That was
Oh,
That's
goodness.
it. Good job.
Goodness.
All right.
Hi, baby.
Right up on you.
Oh,
There we go.
This baby's bigger than 8 pounds.
goodness.
If you could kick all the way at the top.
Oh.
There we go.
You are very tall.
Hi.
Wiping her face.
Oh.
Drew, come around here so you can see your baby's eyes.
Oh my goodness.
That's sound of love, that is.
Hi, baby. Oh. Tell me.
Tell me about all that time you spent in there.
Oh. Goodness gracious. Hi. Get it out. Yeah. Hello. You just like your brother.
Yeah.
Oh.
Have a little water, baby.
One off for colour.
Oh. Yeah. You
I know. Hi, Braxton.
Yay.
I know. Everybody's excited.
You did it.
Excited.
Oh, you did it.
What a
Hello.
girl you are.
Yes, look at all your hair.
So much hair.
Whose baby are you? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Heart rate's
Can you
150.
even stand it? Mom? Are you kidding me?
You still tired?
No, you,
No.
you got a new baby.
Oh, I love all of you.
Nancy, could you shine the light
Yeah, we
here?
can turn the
I
light
don't
on.
want to keep her in the tub much longer.
Sure.
Another separation bag.
Yeah, and the water.
Let's
Hi, Brex.
let's watch if the water's not
Hi.
okay.
It's not terribly warm though, the water.
Oh. Really? Oh.
I know, honey bunny.
Oh, there you go.
okay?
Get it out.
Yeah.
Get it out.
Talkative just like you, big bud.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, temperature.
Baby's temperature's 98.4.
That does it for stage 2 pushing and delivery. If you'd like to watch stage 1 phase 3 transition, then click here. And if you're ready to watch stage 3 delivering the placenta, then click here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.